Ever feel like your money is playing hide and seek, and you're always it? You're not alone. Tracking expenses, budgeting, and actually knowing where your hard-earned cash is going can feel like a Herculean task. That's where apps like Pocketguard step in, promising to be your financial superhero. But the big question is, in a sea of free budgeting apps, is it actually worth paying for Pocketguard? Let's be real, the app marketplace is flooded with options that claim to help you master your finances. Many of them offer basic budgeting and tracking features for free. So, why would you even consider shelling out extra for a premium subscription? To answer that, we need to dig into what Pocketguard actually offers, both in its free and paid tiers. At its core, Pocketguard connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and even investment accounts to give you a holistic view of your financial landscape. The free version does a decent job of categorizing your transactions, showing you where your money is going, and allowing you to set up basic budgets. The In My Pocket feature gives you a snapshot of what's left after recurring bills and planned expenses, which can be helpful for day-to-day spending awareness. However, the limitations of the free version become apparent pretty quickly for anyone serious about getting a tighter grip on their finances. This is where Pocketguard's premium features, often under the Pocketguard Plus or similar subscription, come into play. One of the key upgrades is the ability to create unlimited budget categories. While the free version offers a limited number, the paid version lets you granularly track your spending in as many areas as you need. This level of detail can be invaluable for identifying those sneaky spending leaks you might not otherwise notice. Another significant advantage of the paid version is its advanced forecasting capabilities. Instead of just looking at past transactions, Pocketguard Plus can project your future balance based on your income, bills, and spending habits. This forward-looking view can be a game-changer for planning for upcoming expenses and avoiding overdraft fees. Furthermore, the premium tier often includes more robust reporting features, allowing you to visualize your financial data in more insightful ways. Think customizable charts and graphs that can help you identify trends and patterns in your spending and saving habits. Debt management tools are another common offering in the paid version. These features can help you track your progress in paying down loans and credit card debt, potentially even suggesting strategies to accelerate your debt-free journey. Finally, enhanced customer support is often bundled with the premium subscription. While free users might have access to basic FAQs and email support, paid users typically get priority assistance, which can be crucial if you encounter any issues or have specific questions. So, circling back to our original question, is it worth paying for Pocketguard? The answer, as with most things financial, depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're just looking for a basic overview of your spending and don't need in-depth analysis or forecasting, the free version might suffice. However, if you're serious about taking control of your finances, creating detailed budgets, planning for the future, tackling debt, and want a more comprehensive set of tools and support, then the premium features of Pocketguard could very well be a worthwhile investment. Think of it not as an expense, but as an investment in your financial well-being. The insights and control you gain could potentially save you far more money in the long run than the subscription fee itself. Ultimately, the best way to decide is to try out the free version and see if it meets your basic needs. If you find yourself bumping up against its limitations and craving more advanced features, then taking the plunge into the paid version might be the smart move for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.